Good morning, Caroline. It's April 24th, 2012, and it's a Tuesday. Well, I've never been to Texas, and I don't know anybody from Texas. You are not from Texas, no matter what you say. But I have been down south, and this is sort of an impromptu southern accent. So our theme this week is New York / Texas artifacts, I guess. That's a good word to put on it. My artifacts are things that aren't necessarily from Texas, but they are sort of involved in Texas. Here's a picture of you, me, and Nicole, and Lara. And you moved to Texas, so there you go. And here's a picture from 8th grade. That's me. And that's Lara. And that's you. There you go. These are your Texas artifacts for April 24, 2012. So, I slept through my video on Friday. And I didn't have Wi-Fi, so I couldn't upload it, and it was bad. Since I didn't make a video on Friday, my punishment was to talk in a southern accent for this entire video, and I think I'm really failing at it because I keep forgetting. I know that some words are pretty good, but this is going pretty badly.